Hey Steeler XLM holder, when I see the change occur of Steeler XLM, when I see the profit of Steeler XLM, when I see the loss of Steeler XLM, my friend, finally, you know what's my decision? Absolutely, I clearly sometimes my friends decide to, but just only I'm going to say it, but definitely I am going to doing very big mistake. You know why? Definitely this is very bad mistake if I decide to this is selling time and I'm going to sell it. So I will tell you my brother also to if you I need to take a decision my friend, this is your own my friend, but please I just advise you my brother, please don't sell it. This is very big mistake my friend of holder. Today we discuss completely about this too. Don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. But let's start this brand video. I will tell you my brothers in this video I predicate this coin, I do technical analysis, I give you update, and also my brother I will share my opinion. So the video is going to be very long now for all of you. I will notify my brothers to in this video I give you very information. So let's see my brother, especially for new investor who invest for a new my friend, and definitely who invest for a short time investor. You know Steeler XLM one of the best coin for short time investor, because if you can see here this change occur completely tell you my brother to this coin is very good for a short time investor, not for a long time investor. Try to understand Steeler XLM holder. A lot of holders doing very huge mistake my friend, and the mistake is that they invest for a long time. So Steeler XLM I clearly tell you my brother to Steeler XLM is not good coin for a long time, because my brother, you know, especially this time in last 7 days, you can see my friend 16% of the price is lost now. So therefore, in last 1 day, you can see here last 24 hour, they will give you a 3% profit now. So the price is increased now 3%. But tomorrow, you can see here last 1 hour, they again today fails down. So therefore, if you are a short time investor, so I think you are a millionaire my friend. That will make you a millionaire. But if you have decided my friends to I am going to invest for a long time, so I think you're going to be wrong now. Just only invest for a short time and take a very good profit and sell it. I hope my friends that will make you a millionaire now. Let's see my brother the prediction. But Kani, before I get started this video, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, first of all I'm going to show you the last 7 days chart, and after that my friend absolutely you better understand to really there is a chance so they will move upward or not my brother. So this chart which you show my friend, which I show you in the screen, absolutely completely tell this my friends to upcoming time there is a lot of chances to they will move upward now. You know why? I use my friend from last 3 year one of the very useful formula, especially for prediction videos. But definitely my friend in this video I give you very information about this prediction my friends to upcoming time. Can really how you my friend imagine this to how you expect this my friend to they will give you a good my friend profit or not. So first of all my friend, see the chart. So you can see here this chart is completely showing to the resistance line. If I draw the resistance line here, so completely I think this is going to be very good now. But definitely my friend, this resistance line, if you can see here, when they fails down from the resistance line, they dumps down. So definitely that will take again a very huge jump again now, and they will recover just in only my friend all lost in 1 hour my friend. You can see here this is just sorry 1 day my friend, and I'm so happy to see this. But again they cannot fail us down more, they just only touch the resistance line, and again they will move for now. So this is a profit my friend for all of you. This is completely profit now. It's mean my brothers, so this coin will give you a very good profit and a short time. But definitely if a holders do a mistake, they cannot starting selling, so definitely they will fails down from here and they are completely lost. Definitely my friend, after a short fails they will again recover this lost. But you cannot my friends take a profit. So this is one of the stable coin. Remember this is one of the stable coin. A lot of coin, for example Dogecoin my friend, this time as the trending Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, these type of currencies will take a very huge jump now my brother, very huge jump. But when they fails down day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute my brother, they fails down and they completely end the loss. So therefore they cannot give you a profit, and they will just and only my friend you are completely lost. So Steeler XLM not like this coin my brother. Definitely Stellar XLM is one of the stable coin like USD dollar, my friend. Absolutely, like USD dollar, Cardano, Cardano, Vechain. This type coins, my friends, give you a very good profit. They will take a time, but definitely they will give you a very good profit now. So my prediction is completely going to be positive now. Stellar XLM holder. If someone tell me to what you say again, they will move upward. So I tell you, my brothers, to their completely 100% definitely, my friends, they will move upward, and I expect very good from Stellar XLM because one of my favorite, and I'm also holder of Stellar XLM. I invest, my friend, especially I think 2 weeks ago, my friend, I invest more and more, and absolutely I have more plans, my friends, to invest more. But let me to go, my friends. Let's see to they will give me a profit at the end of month. Definitely at the end of month, every cryptocurrency will give you a profit. But just in all the holders, you note this to really which days, my friend, in a month, which days they will give you a profit. So then you buy it and sell it, my friend, when they fails down. So Stellar XLM holder, hope you understand to upcoming time. The future is completely going to be bright. My expectation is very good from Stellar XLM. What's your expectation? Please tell me in the comment box. And yeah, come to the point, my friend. My opinion. What's my opinion? I clearly, my friend, this is not a financial video. I just advise you to hold it. Yes, definitely. My advice, my friends, for all of you to hold it. My opinion is to hold it. And remember, my brothers, if you hold it, so just in only 3 or 4 days if you hold. So I hope, my friend, because the end is coming soon now, so end is very near. So I will tell you to, if you wait for the end of this month, so they will give you a very good profit. Now why you miss this chance, my brother? Don't miss this chance. Hold it and wait for a good time. See you next time. Stellar XLM holder, kindly click out the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for videos notification. And if you enjoy this information, this video is helpful for you, so like the video and subscribe the channel. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.